Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to be going through the process of cooking brats on a big green egg. Today I'm using the extra large big green egg. I have pre-lit the grill. We're maintaining a temperature of about 300 degrees right now. You don't want to get the grill too hot. It just takes a little bit too long for your temperature to come down for a nice even cooking range for these brats. So what we're going to be doing is a Hickory barbecue pork brat from White Feather Meats, and we're going to be doing an original seasoned venison brat. Now in our venison brats we used our original seasoning, and in the pork brats we used our barbecue sauce. So I'm going to go ahead and open these up. I should mention that we like to cook our brats from frozen. You can certainly thaw them out if you want, but these brats have thawed slightly, but they are still mostly frozen. So usually what I do is I just split my package, I break the brats open and put the links right over the open hard lump charcoal fire for a direct cook. Now you can certainly set your grill up for indirect cooking, and you can use your convector. That process is just going to take a little bit longer. So what we'll do now that the brats are on the grill is we're going to go ahead and shut our lid, and we're going to maintain that temperature, let's say 300 degrees. Periodically I will open the grill. I'll use my tongs and I'll use my thermometer. I'll simply open the lid. We'll roll our brats around until it looks like, it's time for us to start taking temps. At that point, we want to reach an internal temperature on our pork brats of about 160, and on our venison brats about 155. So that's where we're going to take them to, and stay tuned because we'll be pulling these off the grill here real soon. All right, so here we are. We're about 10 minutes in with our brat cook on the XL Big Green Egg. Our venison brats, these are complete. They have met temp of about 155. I'm going to continue to grill the pork brats here until they reach that 160. We only have a few minutes to go. But as you can see, these brats started out as a frozen package. So there's no need to boil these or anything like that prior to cooking. So we simply opened up a frozen package of brats, put them on the Big Green Egg at about 300 to 325, and we cooked these in just about 10 minutes. So I used a little bit of sugar maple rockwood wood chunks. I think that adds a real nice feature to the flavor profile as we're grilling these. So let's go ahead and pull temp on our pork brats, and let's see where these are. All right, so we just hit 160 on the pork. These are done as well. So we're gonna go ahead and plate these along with our venison. And our brat cook on the XL Big Green Egg is finished. And we did that all in around about 12 minutes. Who's ready for a brat sandwich? You?
I am.
All right. I wanna show you guys a little tip. Bearded Butcher barbecue sauce. Right now, if I peeled this off, it wouldn't be a squirt bottle. It's pretty simple. We're just gonna take a pocket knife. We're gonna poke a hole right in the top of this bottle. And we're gonna go ahead and hook Scott up with one of these amazing, delicious venison brats. This was from a deer that we harvested. We processed it, and now we cooked it on the Big Green Egg.
Here we go.
How'd we do? Mozzarella cheese, original Bearded Butcher blend seasoning.
Wow.
From an animal that we harvested and processed and cooked.
That's fantastic.
This is what you call living right here. Doesn't get any better than that. A real feeling of accomplishment from an animal that we harvested and cooked ourselves.
So good.
You gonna share? I don't want to bite of that.